Hello. So, welcome to our YouTube channel, the PM Insights. We are making the series of what does the product manager actually do in day-to-day lives. So, this is the fourth video of the series. In this video, we'll discuss about what are some tactical works you should do as a product manager. So, let's introduce you to tactical works you are doing as a product manager. So, product managers engaging in a tactical work because which I think as a fun part as a project manager, but it is also a hard category to work on because this involves like taking ideas and shipping ideas to the customers and getting customer experience and getting feedback from customers. So it's a fun because you get to create design, see those designs and being built and brought to life. While you as a product manager, you are not doing development. You work closely with the development team as they go through the software development lifecycle, which is the whole another process. You will also depend on a lot of cross-functional teams and partners to be successful in the tactical works you do as a product manager. The key of balancing tactical works is to know the area where you really need to focus on your time. You don't need to be across everything all the time, but you need to be generally aware what's going on around you. Over time you will learn where the right areas are for you and focus on. So this is under introduction. Next we will see the development software development cycle. So when I talk about tactical product work, I'm referring to a product development life cycle. This involves taking something that is just an idea, researching it, and coming up with the requirement that are then translate into tasks that engineering team can work on. They go through the software development lifecycle to build those functions, followed by pre-launch activity, releasing the product, and then gather the customer requirements. So this is the product development lifecycle: idea, execution, then release and getting feedbacks, and then after getting feedbacks, improve that product again. So that's a product development life cycle. So this is research phase. We already discussed about the research in our strategic work section. But right now we are discussing tactical work, because research is also part of tactical work. Once you have rough idea about what you want to build, informed by your strategic work, you need to do some specific research. You need to do competitor research, generally market, about the competitors, industry research, customer calls, and looking. You also responsible for doing research on backlog, because you have to prioritize backlog according to the competitors. And for the existing product, it's important to take into account any feedback, because if the product is already existence, you probably have some feedback with the customers. You need to account any feedback that you have, and you need to research in that feedback, how you can improve. Now once you have done your research and have idea of what you want to build, this needs to be translate into the product requirement document. The product requirement are the specifications of what you want to build, and this will used as communication with the engineering and designing team to need and build the product. For example, if you are building an app, you need to answer questions like what should be on the login page, what should happen if someone enters incorrect login details, and any additional functions or functionalities from the login page. Writing requirements not only a one-time thing. You are always changing based on the feedback. It's important to gather feedback from engineering, design, and other product managers as you write them. So this is product requirement really important. So once you have finalized your requirements, then you want to release a release plan. So for complicated or bigger features, you might not want to release everything at once. You might want to release incrementally, release features and have sequence of releases that we need to written down. This ensures that everyone knows the timeline for each releases. So this is release plan. This is generally used for bigger feature and complicated product. So after finalizing requirements, you will work with the product designers to determine what the product should look like and how it functions. This includes like mapping out user journey and creating feature mockups like prototype. This can start as like wireframes and then be created into like higher fidelity designs. Product managers can convey idea through rough sketches or wireframes. Customer calls are also important to get feedback on designs. This often involves like design-led testing and validation, where your designers seek customer inputs on the designs. Depending on the project size, design review with the various stakeholders may also be uh, conducted to gain agreement with the significant new products. So we also get stakeholder review and agreement in this design phase. So this is the video where you see what are that some tactical works you should do as a product manager. So thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.